Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Christmas Eve and today we're opening our presents from AliExpress.
Right.
So Lawrence and I had a little deal and we bought each other presents from AliExpress only for this Christmas and £30 worth. So we're going to start with our first present. Unfortunately, I haven't wrapped my presents. I've been away on holiday and then when I came back I went to a funeral. So I've only literally just got back today, so I haven't had a chance to wrap my presents. So bear with me. It's not that Lawrence is organized. It's just that you're not organized. And also, don't judge me on my tree. Okay.
I put it up.
I'm just gonna pull. There's no order to how I'm doing my presents. I'm just gonna pull them out of a bag. Okay, so my first one is a pair of fake Crocs.
The fake ones.
Do you know what? I saw them in South Africa, Crocs South Africa, and I was like, those are the ones I got for Lorraine. So I didn't realize that they were fake Crocs. The size said 45, which is your size. But when I looked at them,
what it is my a bit tight. A bit tight.
How does that feel?
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. All wrapped.
Look at me wrapping in newspaper because
sustainability. I'm happy about that.
So with this, I had you as a travel vlogger in mind.
It's a map. I'm sticking stickers on it. But is it a map that you scratch for every country that you go to? So it's a little bit different to what we had last time.
Oh, like you just now, you've been to South Africa. You go scratch it. So that
and then what color does it come out? Gold.
I haven't scratched it, so.
Oh, no, but what did the instructions? I haven't
looked at the instructions. But I think if you scratch it,
it will do something.
It will do something.
Thank you. So I'm gonna frame. What I'm gonna do is I'll frame it off. Frame it, but then leave the glass out.
All right.
It's in a frame. Okay. Now because I've got more presents than you have, I'm gonna give you a couple because they are related.
All right.
Yeah.
Right, okay.
So you have an idea.
I can guess this.
You already guessed.
As a bicyclist. How do I look?
They look cool.
Yeah.
I like the flex because it's got like pink and.
Ah, right, okay. And what are these? Cheap cycling gear.
Yes! Those are for our quick 5-mile bike rides.
And then what's this? This is the buff.
Can't remember. Guys, my presents came like at least a month and a half ago.
What's this?
It's a balaclava kind of thing.
For the winter.
Yeah, for winter.
Right, yeah. You know what? Yeah, I appreciate this because I only have one balaclava.
Yeah.
I hope it is windproof.
Wow.
I walk outside when I can walk
You're
outside.
hoping too much for AliExpress.
Oh yeah, but I like the color of the jersey. I like it. I got this. There's something in there. I got this, right? And some of it didn't come. So you only got one thing.
So is it related? Do I need the other thing?
No. But I bought a bunch of things, but I only got one.
Huh?
Just open the.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay.
Well, you thought I gave you a pouch?
Are these earrings?
The earrings. Yeah.
Oh.
I bought several pairs of earrings.
Several?
And only one. Yeah. Come on, they were like 62B.
Oh, is it? Are they real gold?
Yeah.
The next thing for you.
Okay, why are you just dissing me in front of people? This is Candy
How is it? Huh?
That's a power bank, isn't it?
Yeah. How is it just?
Is it because I always borrow a power bank?
Well, yeah.
That's what I was.
But it's also 25,000.
I can't fly with this one.
20,000, sorry.
20,000. Oh, maximum.
Yeah. Maximum is 30.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's heavy. I don't know why.
It is heavy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. No, this is nice. This is nice. Pretty useful thing.
Pretty useful.
So yeah, I was kind of catfished.
Oh.
I bought.
Oh, is this supposed to be a bigger size?
I was expecting something big. So what I was buying were neon lights. You can have Miari travels in neon. So I thought.
And then I could I can write it.
You can write
the
it,
thing.
yeah. So I hope you can.
Okay.
Because these are two different suppliers. So this one, yeah.
Okay. I'll figure it out.
Yeah, you will. I'm sure you will. The internet will teach you this.
Okay. So another t-shirt from AliExpress. The material's terrible.
Okay. You really went bootleg, isn't it? What is this? Is this cycling jersey?
No, it's just a t-shirt. I liked the print.
Yeah.
I liked the idea of
like something stained, and the quality is iffy.
It's very silky.
It feels like something that I feel really hot in.
Wear it around the house.
But I'll wear it. I'll wear it tomorrow. What's inside is not what's on the box. I just use the box.
Okay, got you.
For packing.
And then you wrapped it.
For wrapping. Yeah, you know what? Camilla wrapped it. My
I
niece
can tell.
We're doing it together.
I can tell.
Crocs for your Crocs. Alright. Okay, so I bought Crocs.
Why? Why are they all Crocs?
Because you have two pairs, right? Just have two pairs.
I have loads of pairs.
Yeah, so
No,
Crocs.
I'm just saying, could you buy separate gibbets that are not just all Crocs?
Look, can you take a look?
Oh, thank you.
So Crocs, blue, brown, yellow, blue. Yeah, so your Crocs will wear Crocs now.
What's this? Is this photo?
Yes, some more.
Oh, some more gibbets.
These are lights for your Crocs. So when you go outside, when you go outside,
I'm gonna have to put them on so.
Oh, how does it work?
How does it work?
Oh, how does it work? Oh, yeah, there you go. So when you go outside, walk in the dark, it's flashy. Come on. There's no light outside. You might trip.
Oh, it changes how far it flashes.
Yeah.
So
you won't get lost in the woods.
these are cute though, but hey, yeah.
There's too many.
There are many. More clothes for you.
Oh my god. See, I'm a bit of a snob when it comes to clothes.
I know you are.
So
that's why I was like, this is gonna be hilarious. Same materials.
How cheap were these things?
But I liked this.
Okay.
This is Joker.
Oh, right.
Yeah, but without saying Joker, but JQKA. There's more clothes coming.
Okay, you just bring them out.
Oh, I think you mentioned this.
Right. Since you got me glasses, I got you glasses.
So what happens?
Okay, put them on. You're looking at the camera, right?
Uh-huh.
What can you see? Can you see the phone here?
Yes, I can see the phone.
Yeah.
But I'm not looking at the camera.
So what happens is, like when you're lying down, right? You don't have to do this with your phone. You can lie down with your phone here. There you go.
Google.
Yeah,
okay, let me open Yari Clay Travels.
What to do that? Just to explain. So that the glasses, what they do is you'll be looking forward, but you can see what's below you. So they're just like lazy glasses.
You know, this is pretty cool.
Yeah.
So these are your Thailand. These are strong. This looks like strong material. Because remember Thailand video? I'll put a screenshot. I'll put it. Cambodia.
Yeah.
Cambodia video. Lori bought a pair of shorts that you need to wear. Trousers, sorry. That you need to wear at the temple, and they got torn because those things are cheap.
They were flimsy. Yeah, really
flimsy. So I got you this one. So I hope it's stronger. They're thick, right?
Yeah, they are thick.
They were for men.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
all right. Thank you.
No,
you know what? The quality is better than the t-shirts.
And then a pair of joggers. Just to lounge in the...
Why are they 2XL?
Lawrence, we know why they... Oh, this is too large, 2XL.
2XL, bruh.
It's just to lounge in.
Lounge in the house.
Yeah.
Okay. No, this are yeah.
This is better
the quality.
well.
The quality is so much better. It says 100% cotton. Yeah. The quality of these two, much better. So this one here.
My last one.
I tried.
You tried. You've done well. Okay. Okay. Nice.
Yeah.
Laurie gets scratched at night.
You said it. You said it.
No, what you mean? I said it. You said it to me. It's a callus remover, electric callus remover. But I don't know how it operates currently. But when I was in South Africa just now, like a few days ago, my sister recommended this. So that's why I'm like, this is nice. Because let's hope it works as good as that one. This is so cute.
Yeah, this one I think, yeah. I was proud of this one, and I was proud of the glasses. The glasses were
and then everything else.
And everything else was.
My gibbets. I was like,
come on.
No, they're gimmicky. They're funny, but yeah, it's not something that I'll be like wearing all the time.
No, but I like this. I like this. They're bootleg, but I like them. All right.
Well, thank you guys. That's it from us. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
What's it? Navida.
Feliz Navidad.
And la vie.
Feliz Navidad.
Life. Feliz Navidad. And yeah, have yourselves a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. But see you in 2025. Bye.
Yeah, and watch the other videos, okay?
Yes, watch the other videos while you wait for the 2025.